my God, now I might not put it in. Oh my God. Oh my God. Maybe I shouldn't do it. Oh my God. And I may have taken all of my pills. So I was a little loopy. Little loopy. I get called the hunchback a lot because I am perfect. I do. It gets to me more once I get the crown on. It's like bitch mode, yeah. And yellow. I kept the yellow just to show that it was yellow. The person I was is dead. She's dead. Long live the queen. And by the way, my crush's name is Manguel Angel. Could they stop drilling? Everyone's looking for your penis, Adam. Oh, somebody's demanding an apology from the queen again. I'm not a train wreck. What's that fancy word people use when they want to say something? Oh my God, what's that fancy word? Accusation? Is that the word? Acme! Oh, yeah! As a professional YouTuber, I don't do giveaways. I don't want to get yelled at. I don't like getting yelled at. Like, yeah! I was a little out of it. I had my third sleeping pill and it was like, whoa, yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah.